Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hump 2.5, week number 1. Thanks for joining us for our live stream class. My name is Mark.
I'm Katie.
And here are the happenings. We took a look at these couple of options, which are your side by side and triple step, rock, step, follows in front, step, step, and now we're apart, and step, step. We also did it with the turn for the followers, rock, step, rock, step, into the front, step, turn, triple, and there we go. We also have the series of different things we could do after a tuck turn getting right to right. Rock, step, triple step, open, tuck, switch the hand, rock, step, triple, back together, then side by side and triple step, open, tuck, switch it, rock, step, triple, and stretch away, triple step, into the pull by, and there we go. We also had our hesitation step. Rock, step, triple step, open, tuck, switch it, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step, triple, together, and there it is. Yes. Lindy Hop 2.5, thank you very much.